Liwanag. Kung gusto nyo talagang magandang group, it will cost. Hindi yan libre. Hindi yan mura. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo lang na talagang parang banding-banding lang tayo habang buhay, hindi wala nang group, wala nang pangalan, wala nang SEC, wala nang... And but then, we don't benefit from being a group. Wala tayong recognition, wala tayong representation. Next year, merong convention sa Court from Tangilan, di ba? And it would really be nice kung by that time, which is what, 7-8 months from now, ready na tayo. No? Actually, we can do this in 1 to 2 weeks. Kung talagang gusto yung pupunin ito, and it will cost us an extra 1,000 pesos to do that, within 10 days, SEC registered tayo. Ako may suggestion ako doon. Ang membership fee lang sa yung manggagaling yung gagamitin natin sa...
Tulala lang, alam.
Tapos yung
Takot ko na siya.
common funds na natin yun. Tapos yung sinasabi na annual fee, pwede rin yun. Pagkatapos ng membership, dapat may membership muna. Kasi gagastos tayo sa SEC, yung express na tinatawag, 3 days yun. 3 days lang. Mga 4,000 yun. Pero kung hindi tayo mag-express, we can give to a month, ganun lang. Matagal. The cost will be so self-explanatory, hindi naman na tayo kailangan maging transparent about this. Kasi hindi tayo magiging napakalaking grupo. I don't see us growing to more than 60. Diba? Tapos yung active members pa, siguro nasa 30 na lang tayo yan. Yung really active members, wala nang 20 yan. Okay? So,
Yeah, and just to add, no, yung getting to be member ng SEC, it has a legal benefits para sa atin.
right.
Sa group, sa group. Meron tayong own entity kasi.